Hello and welcome to iNurture videos. In this video, we will discuss about financial assets in India. At the end of this video, you will be able to define financial assets, list various financial assets, discuss the key features of financial assets. Any asset that derives its value from contractual claim of the underlying asset, such as deposits, stocks, bonds, etc., are termed as financial assets. Various financial assets are listed in the International Financial Reporting Standards (IFRS). Cash or cash equivalent, deposits, bank, corporate, housing finance, etc., equity shares, preference shares, debentures, insurance, mutual funds, real estate funds. Features. Some of the key features are common irrespective of financial assets that we deal with are A. Liquidity. Financial assets can be converted into cash depending on requirement. Most of the financial assets, hence, can be converted to cash immediately as per requirement. For example, fixed deposits. B. Returns. Every financial asset which carry returns which will accumulate economic value over a period of time. C. Risk. There are many types of risks, internal and external. The external risk factors are often not under the investor's control. D. Maturity period. Some financial instruments are subject to lock-in or certain time period until which they do not yield benefits in the form of enhanced economic value. Example, deposits. E. Divisibility. One of the most important characteristics of financial asset is its divisibility. Bonds, certificate of deposits, IPOs are to be subscribed with a minimum denomination of 1,000, 5 lakh, 2 lakh rupees respectively. F. Taxability of returns. Taxes are levied on all forms of earnings, including the returns generated from investments. There are some financial assets which could provide tax-efficient returns. For example, long-term capital gains from equity shares or equity mutual funds. G. Marketability. The market dynamics come into play to determine the depth of the market. Any financial asset which is much in demand is likely to be highly marketable. Need for financial assets. Financial assets serve two basic functions. They allow the fund transference from entities that have it in excess to entities that need the funds to invest in tangible assets. The financial intermediary plays a prominent role. Financial assets lead to creation of economic resource for the investor and provide capital to the borrower for creation of marketable products and services. Financial assets are pertinent to overall growth of the economy. Let us now have a quick recap on what we have discussed. Any asset that derives its value from the contractual claim of the underlying asset, such as deposits, stocks, bonds, etc., are termed as financial assets. Some of the key features are common irrespective of financial assets that we deal with are liquidity, returns, risks, maturity period, divisibility, taxability of returns, marketability. Financial assets are pertinent to the overall growth of the economy. Thank you for watching this video.